Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix Facebook can't find your account. So let's get started. Well, if you're trying to log into your Facebook account, but it keeps saying Facebook can't find your account, here the first thing we're going to do to fix this problem is to make sure that you've entered the right email address or phone number and the right password. Now, if your password, email address, and phone number are correct and it keeps saying that Facebook can't find your account, well, here it might be because your account has been deleted, hacked, or banned. And to fix this problem, we're going to go out from here and open up Google Chrome. Here we're going to type in support.facebook.com. And now we're going to tap on Get Help. Here we have log into your account, change your password, fix a login problem, and upload in your ID. We're going to choose the first option, log into your account. Now we're going to choose the first option. So here it shows you some steps to log into your Facebook account. And here it says if you're having problems logging in, if you're having trouble logging in, then find out what to do next. We're going to tap on this blue text. So here it says go to the find your account page at this site. Again, we're going to tap on this one. And here type in your mobile number or email address, and then just go through the steps to recover your Facebook account. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.